Hey guys, here's how I made a crocheted lei. I got this rat tail cord and short lash yarn from Walmart. I used this crochet hook, but you could also use the next size up. I left about 5.5 inches at the end of the cord. Place the cord over the hook with the end facing forward. Bring the end of the cord to the back, wrapping around the longer end. Then bring the longer end over to the front of the hook and pull the cord through the loop created. This is a slip knot. Bring the longer end over to the front again and pull the cord through the loop created. This is the first chain stitch. I made 4 chain stitches. Go 1 chain stitch back and make a single crochet stitch. To do this, go through the chain stitch, yarn over, and pull it through the loop. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops. Go through the next chain stitch and make a single crochet. Go through the next chain stitch and make another single crochet. Then make 4 chain stitches to start the next set. Each set curls to form a ball. Go 1 chain back and repeat the steps. Make a single crochet in 3 chain stitches. Followed by 4 chain stitches. Stop when you reach the length that you want. I made 60 balls. At the end, I made a chain stitch, cut the cord, and pulled it completely through the loop. You'll notice a hole after each ball. This is where I attach the lash yarn. Knot the yarn to the end. I held the lei with the curled part facing the left side. I brought the hook through the first hole. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Make 2 chain stitches and go through the next hole. Yarn over and go through both loops. This is a slip stitch. Make 2 chain stitches and go through the next hole. Continue doing this until you reach the end. I tug the ends to fluff it. I weaved it back and forth a few times and cut the extra cord. I did the same to the other end. I double knotted the ends and made a bow. You could make multiple strands and twist them before knotting the ends. I made 2 leis and had this much extra cord, so you could make several leis with these rolls. And here's how it turned out.